Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Now, as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a makeup transformation into Lady Gaga's new look for her new single, Stupid Love. Now, it's Friday, the video comes out tonight. This was pre-filmed. So yeah, we don't have a lot of details on this look that I'm going to be doing yet, except a couple little shots that Lady Gaga posted herself. So I'm going to just try to use what we have and try to recreate the look that she is wearing for this new song. I'm super excited about the song. I hope we all love it. I'm excited she finally has new music coming out, but let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. So I already went ahead and did my brows off camera, obviously, and I primed my lid with the P. Louise base in shade 2. Dos. And I put that all over, so we're gonna jump right in. Now, in this look, I'm gonna be using the Jawbreaker palette today, and I'm gonna tap into this shade Bubblegum, right here, the hot pink thingy, and we're just gonna put this all over. Now I'm talking all the way up to the brow, because in this picture, she just has pink overload everywhere. So, sounds real complicated, right? Now if this gets into the brow that we already carved out, we can just go back in and clean it up later. I'm talking just put pink everywhere. I don't know about y'all, but this is probably the most complicated eye look that I've ever seen. Now taking that same pink color, we're just gonna run that all the way right under the eye as well. And as I apply this, I'm just making sure that I kind of like blend it outward as I go. Now that we have that on there, it gets a little more exciting. So there's kind of like a sharp, smoked out liner moment happening. So I'm just gonna kind of hold something here and pack some black shadow on there and blend it out, kind of like a liner into the lid, kind of, you'll see. And I'm gonna be using the shade NYC for my Morphe Pride palette to get that black color. And now that we got that black on there, we can move this. Ooh. And now we can kind of focus on blending in this black to this pink. So we're just gonna take that same brush we had the pink on and just use that to kind of fuse the two colors together. There's not like a whole lot of steps, but you know, that means that you really gotta blend, because if it's minimal, it better be clean. All right, now that we got that blended out to our liking, we're just gonna kind of take this smudgy detailing brush and we're just gonna run that black under the eye, just on the outer corner, right under the lash line. We're just gonna press that. And then just flick it downward to smoke it out. Feeling like the pink swan. All right, now that we have that nice and blended out underneath, we are gonna go ahead and add some like whitish nude liner on the waterline to really open up the eyes and make them pop, because she's wearing that in the picture. I'm gonna be using this nude pencil from Makeup Forever. And as you can see, that really, really opens up the eye. We're also gonna use this pencil to prep the inner corner, because it looks like she kind of has like a really pretty shimmering shade there. So we'll use that as kind of like a base. And now that we have that on there, we're just gonna stick on some Makeup Forever Stardust powder. And that adds like a really fun, pretty shimmer to the inner corner. All right, now in the picture, Lady Gaga has some reflective paper kind of on her eye and right up here. I'm gonna actually hand paint some stuff on and use glitter, because I bought some paper and I couldn't really cut it the way I wanted to, and I couldn't shape it to my eye. So I was like, screw it. We're gonna be artistic and we're just gonna paint. See, that's way more artsy anyway, right? Don't take the easy way out. Now we just gotta make them look the same. All right, now that we have that on there, I'm gonna go ahead and tap some glitter glue on top of this, and we're gonna add some glitter on top of it, because apparently I can't use scissors. Ooh. We're just gonna gently dust away any extra glitter, but that looks really fun. I don't know about y'all, but this is looking marvelous. Now we're just gonna go back in with our brow pomade, and we're just gonna clean up right at the very edge of this brow, since, you know, we got some pink shadow on it. Just wanna make sure everything looks nice and clean. All right, now that we have the brows fixed, I'm gonna go ahead in and line the upper lash line with a little bit of liquid liner, and I'm just gonna use my good old e.l.f. liquid liner. Alright guys, I used Jeffree Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson liquid lipstick, and I put that on my lips, and then I drew on these shapes that she seems to have, you know, in the thing. Same thing right here. She has on some holographic paper, but again, I am hand drawing it on because I don't know how to use scissors. But yeah, so these shapes and the lips are Jeffree. Moving on. We're going to again take our e.l.f. glitter glue, and we are just going to pat that right on top of these shapes that we created using the liquid lip. Try to stay inside the lines as much as possible. The more you stay inside the lines, the less glitter you'll have to clean up. There is a marking that's gonna go on the center one, and I don't know how easy it's gonna be to draw over glitter, but you know what? We're gonna make it work. All right guys, let's make this work. Ooh, so sparkly. Alright, now that we got that on there, we are just going to, as gently as we can, go around the edges with the shapes with this little comb-y gig to try to get rid of any excess glitter. Alright, before I forget, I'm gonna add this little beauty mark right here. All in the details, right? Now using that same liquid liner, there is a heart shape in this center little piece. So fingers crossed that I can paint over glitter. I'm now going in with this Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Virginity. I got this in the Royal Blood Lip Bundle. I think this is one of the regular shades. But anyway, I'm running this through my brow because it needs to be really light. So I'm gonna coat my actual brow hairs and then just kind of flick it through. And now for good luck, we're just gonna go ahead and add a little blush. Alright guys, well now that the makeup portion is now complete, we are going to go ahead and I'm going to put my contacts in, my lashes, and my wig in my outfit, and we are going to get into our full Stupid Love transformation. Alright guys, well this is my final look for the Lady Gaga Stupid Love makeup transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like this look, it's really, really fun. I'm feeling like the only space Barbie princess bitch, you know what I mean? So if you guys love this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click that notification bell if you want to know when I am posting new videos. I had so much fun doing this, and you guys, as always, yes.